Hey guys, it's Dandelion FX here, and today I'll be doing the No Brushes Makeup Challenge. So, if you would like to see how I made this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face with the Benefit Professional Primer. Okay, so now that my face is primed, we are going to move on to the eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to grab the Naked Urban Decay Basics palette, and we're just going to use these two shades for my lid. So now that the base for my eyes are done, we're just going to move on to doing a transition shade. Okay, so we're just going to grab this shade Myth right here and just apply it to our lid. But remember, no brushes. Okay, so I'm just swirling it on my finger like so, and we're just going to apply it to my lid. We're just going to go in with this shade Naked 2. So now that we've done that for the eyes, we're going to move on to concealer, and we're just going to pop this over the lid and then stick some shimmer on top. We're going to use the shade Bow Down from Colourpop. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're going to move on to the eyebrows. It's going to be using this dark brown shade here. Okay, so I just did my eyebrow, and now I'm going to do this one off camera. And now it's time for the mascara. I'm going to be using the Mega Multiply by Revlon, and since we can't use the brush, I'm just going to put it on my fingers and just go like that. Okay, and now it's time for the face. I'm just going to be using my Lancome foundation, and yeah, let's do it. And now it's time to blend, but with our fingers. I was expecting it to be a little bit worse, or maybe a bit cakey, but yeah, it actually looks pretty good. Now that we've blended our foundation, it's time for concealer. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder. Okay, and now it's time to blend. Okay, now I actually can't find my loose powder, so I'm just going to use this shade. I'm just going to continue baking with this eyeshadow. And I'm only doing it in the places where I want to bake. Like, you don't have to do it in every place you conceal. And now we're just going to move on to contour. Now, I'm just going to be using Hoola by Benefit, and wish me luck. We can work with that. Okay, now I've got the contour on my face, and now we're going to attempt to blend it out. Okay, and now for blush. I'm going to be using the Christian Dior blush and attempt to pat it onto my cheeks. Okay, and now I've just taken that Christian Dior blush and just circled it onto my cheeks as best as I could, and looks pretty good. Okay, and now it's time for highlighter. I'm just going to be using a single pan highlighter like this, and yeah, let's get started. So I just put the highlight on my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and yeah. Now, the last bit, the lips. And now for the lips, I'm going for like more of a nude, pinky, reddy colour, and I'm going to be using the Pout Pop lipstick by Mecca Max, and the shade is Party Police. And that completes the look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you next time.